New York was, I think it was just really interesting seeing different pockets of it that I had never seen before. Like obviously I didn't know YIVO was there before. I just didn't even know about it. And I also really loved the walking tour that we took, which was with a couple of, I think, old friends of David Schneer's who like collected seltzer and the whole 9 yards, and who gave us this really cool walking tour of the Lower East Side and basically talked about the Jewish history of it in like the early part of the 20th century as well as in the interwar period. And I think it was just so interesting, like walking around these buildings that I had probably seen a fair number of times, but never heard about like this particular tendency before. And like I had obviously heard about tenements and Lower East Side slums and all of that, but I didn't know about the Jewish experience of that, and or that there was even such a strong like Jewish population in that time period in New York. I think it was just really, really eye-opening in terms of both the like the numbers of like it seemed like of Jewish people who have influenced New York just by being there over time, which I previously didn't know, and then also I guess like hearing about the textures of their experiences. I think one thing that was also really interesting was that because nowadays Jews are like pretty, at least as far as I can tell, like they're generally considered ethnically white, which is like a really, that's like a really strong thing in America, because like we have like pretty strong racial divides as far as I can tell, you know? And so he like hearing and learning about a time when that like really was not so was really impactful, because I had heard about you know, obviously like Jews being denied entrance to certain clubs and all of that, but I think I didn't really understand, like I don't know, maybe I thought that it was like a class difference or something. I don't know. I think I didn't understand like the I don't know, the fact that like Jewishness really influenced that experience and like defined a lot of people's lives in that point. In that point in a way that like, yeah, I don't know. I don't know where I'm going with that.